Hi, today in this video, we are gonna learn how to remove and add MetaMask extension. So let's get started. First, what we're gonna need is a browser. I use Firefox, like this one, right here, this one. And we're also gonna need your secret recovery phrase for your MetaMask account. So we need a browser, I use Firefox, and then we're gonna need your MetaMask secret recovery phrase. Okay, so let's get started. So if you have the MetaMask extension, it usually looks like this, right? You will see the fox here in this top right corner. And if you click on it, it will open up like that and it will ask you for your password if you want to open your MetaMask account. So let's say you forgot your password. We can solve this problem. So if you forgot your password or have any problems with MetaMask extension, what you can do is remove the MetaMask extension and add it again. So how do we remove it? Click on it. No, there we go. You right click on it. So hover your arrow into the MetaMask extension and then right click and then remove extension. Remove. Okay, let's remove it. So there we go. We removed our MetaMask extension. Now we're going to add it again. So how do we do that? We just simply search up MetaMask extension. There we go. So now we click on this one, download MetaMask. Now we scroll down, and then what we do is we install MetaMask for Firefox. And also MetaMask works on other browsers as well, such as Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Opera. For me, I use Firefox. But if you have a browser and it's not like, it doesn't show here, then it can't be compatible with MetaMask. So these are the browsers that are supported by MetaMask extension. So anyways, I'm gonna install it now. Install MetaMask for Firefox because I use Firefox. And I'm gonna add it now to Firefox. Add. And then there we go. Okay, I've successfully added my MetaMask extension. And then we're gonna press get started. And then I agree. And then now over here, it gives you two options. First option is to import your existing wallet already. If you already had a MetaMask account, you can use it again by using your secret recovery phrase. Or if you don't, you're gonna create a new one if you're new. But in this tutorial, we are going to import our existing MetaMask extension. So I'm gonna import wallet again, and I'm gonna use my old MetaMask. I'm gonna use my existing MetaMask wallet by using my secret recovery phrase. So I click on that, right? And then now you just enter the 12 words here, your secret recovery phrases. Right? So make sure to keep your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe so that if you have any trouble with your MetaMask extension, you can just remove your extension like we did and then add it again and then use your secret recovery phrase to add back your MetaMask. So I'm gonna put it right now. Okay. So you put the words in these boxes, the words that you have in these boxes. So one box, one word. So one word per box. Make sure you're typing it correctly or else it's not gonna work. Oh, I think I'm missing something. Hold on, let me fix it. So there we go, you got, oh my God. So there we go, you guys. I've successfully put in my secret recovery phrase, right? And now I'm gonna enter the password that I've used before. You can enter a new password if you want, but for me, I'm just gonna enter the password that I've used before for MetaMask. So I'm gonna enter the old password. So also guys, when you enter your words, right, in these boxes, make sure that they are spelled correctly and that they're in the right orders, or else there's gonna be like an error. See? For example, here, if I delete it and it's missing like a letter, it's gonna be like this invalid secret recovery phrase. So make sure that it's just typed in correctly. Double check it. You can always press this to double check. Okay, now I have read and agree the terms of use, and then let's import it. All done. So there we go. We have our MetaMask account now. And also just remember to keep your secret recovery phrase because it will be useful if you have any problems with MetaMask extension. You can remove it and add it back again like we did. And also please keep your password safe somewhere so that it will be easier. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add a new network. So right now in our MetaMask wallet, over here, if you can look here, it says Ethereum mainnet. So we're in the Ethereum network. So what I want to do is I want to add another network. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to add a network. And what I want to do is I want to add Polygon, this one over here. I want to add this Polygon network, and approve it. And then we're going to press switch to Polygon. There we go. So there we go. And what I want to do now is that I want to add a token because I want to add my IXT token because right now I don't see my IXT token and I want to add it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the IXT token address. So how do I do that? I'm going to open a new tab, right? I'm going to search up IXT token address. Okay, there we go. See the one over here? We're going to click on it. We're going to copy it, right? We're going to copy it like that. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to import the token, import token. And then we're going to paste it here. There we go. Add custom token here. So there, guys, that's all for the tutorial. That's how you add and remove a MetaMask extension.